आपकी आंखों में कुछ महक वही रात है दोस्त बन के आए.
Hi, and thanks to all of you for tuning your favorite channel. Friends, in Bollywood there are great actors whose fan following is very long. People love them and their work, but in their personal life they always yearn for true love. Do you know there was such a great actor who was once heartthrob of millions and considered one of the handsome actor of his time? You won't believe that he married 4 times but 3 of them failed miserably. His misfortune was such that he died even without seeing his son. This great second-lead actor of Bollywood made a different identity with his acting style and loving smile. We all know this legend actor as Vinod Mehra.
जिंदगी में एक ही बार मौका मिलता है और वो गवा दिया.
Do you know that Vinod Mehra has left acting and disappeared from cinema for 11 years after working as a child artist? Not only this, Vinod Mehra worked as marketing executive too and given up Bollywood completely, but destiny has planned something different and again brought him back into acting. Gunned by number 2 in career, Vinod Mehra remained in headlines due to his personal life too. Later we will know more about his personal life, but let's first start with his journey into cinema. Also, moving ahead, request you to kindly subscribe our channel as it boosts our energy. Stay with us and keep watching our show.
जिसके लिए सबको छोड़ा लीना ओ लीना दिल तूने छीना.
Hello, once again welcome to your favorite Bollywood channel. To remind you all, in today's special show we are talking about the veteran actor Vinod Mehra, who was once a chocolate boy of Bollywood. Although Vinod may not be amongst us today, but even now he is remembered and counted among the legendary actors of Bollywood. Handsome Vinod Mehra was born on 13th February 1945 in Amritsar. After independence, Vinod's family shifted to Mumbai. Vinod's sister Sharda Mehra was also into acting and has been quite active in cinema. Vinod Mehra was the second person from his family to enter film industry. Belonging to a business family, Vinod Mehra's education has been from good institutions, and he was also very bright in studies. Vinod Mehra completed his schooling from Sacred Heart Boys High School, Santa Cruz, and graduation from renowned St. Xavier's College, Mumbai.
मिल गया दिल दिल से बोल दिल से एक बात चली है रहना है तेरे दिल में किराया.
Along with studies, Vinod became active in cinema. Vinod started acting just at the age of 10 as a child artist from the movie Adli Jahangir. But he got recognition from movie Ragini released in year 1958 and Bewakoof released in year 1960, where he played Kishore Kumar's childhood role. After this, Vinod worked in many films as a child actor, and suddenly disappeared from the screen after the movie Angulimal released in year 1960 only. From this, he said goodbye to cinema and started focusing on his studies.
तेरे नैनों के मैं दीप जलाऊंगा.
After completing his education, Vinod Mehra joined a company as a marketing executive, but perhaps his destiny did not approve this at all. His fate again brought him back to Bollywood. Meanwhile, story of Vinod Mehra's entry into cinema begins from a restaurant in Mumbai. In the 50s and 60s, the Gaylord restaurant at Church Gate used to be the hangout for strugglers in Bollywood. Famous director Roop K. Shori was a regular visitor over there in order to select new budding actors. On such a visit, one day Shori's eyes fell on Vinod Mehra, and he was impressed so much that he signed him as the lead actor for his upcoming venture. With this, Vinod Mehra's career in Bollywood started with the film Ek Thi Rita in year 1971 opposite actress Tanuja, but Vinod got his real identity with the movie Amar Prem released in the same year, after which Vinod never looked back and kept winning everyone's heart with his acting. Slowly Vinod Mehra got a great fan following, especially among women. In his 3-decade-long filmy career, Vinod Mehra played many memorable roles and worked in more than 100 films. Apart from Hindi, he was also seen in Punjabi movies. Vinod Mehra's pairing with Rekha, Bindya Goswami and Mausami Chatterjee was liked and appreciated a lot.
जीना भी कोई जीना है जब तक तेरा गीत गाता हूँ मैं गुनगुनाता हूँ मैं.
Vinod Mehra's major films includes Ek Thi Rita, Anurag, Amar Prem, Elan, Lal Patthar, Kuwara Baap, Shandar, Umar Kaid, Arjun Pandit, Nagin, Sabse Bada Rupaya, Anurodh, Sajan Bina Suhagan, Ghar, Swarg Narak, Kartavya, Jani Dushman, Bin Fere Hum Tere, Dada, Takkar, Jyoti Bane Jwala, Pyasa Sawan, Professor Pyarelal, Khuddar, बेमिसाल, धर्म और कानून, ऑल राउंडर, राम तेरे कितने नाम, प्यारी बहना, संजोग, आपके साथ, वक्त की आवाज, प्रेम प्रतिज्ञा, इंसानियत, पत्थर के फूल, etc. Apart from this, there is a long list of Vinod Mehra's best movies. Also, there are many movies which were either struck in the middle or were not released.
मेरी महबूबा वो जान लेने का है.
Vinod Mehra is recognized not only as a good actor but also as one of the most handsome actor, leaving an indelible mark with his brilliant acting. Moving ahead to personal life, it was full of ups and downs. Talking about Vinod Mehra's relationships, his name first came into limelight with actress Meena Broka. After initial friendship and meetings, both of them got married in the year 1974. Everything was going well until Vinod Mehra got his first minor heart attack. After recovering from it, Vinod's relationship soared with Meena and he started staying away from her. During this time he met beautiful actress Bindya Goswami, which first turned into friendship and then love, but journey was not easy for both. Actually, Bindya was 16 years younger than Vinod Mehra. And on top of that, even after living separately, Vinod had not divorced Meena. It is well said that love is beyond all limits. Then what is the age? Despite the family's refusal, both of them got married secretly. But this could not remain a secret for long, and soon hit the headlines.
अरे दिमाग में ये बकवास भरी है तो वहाँ करने क्या गई थी? हैं? दुनिया को ये बताने कि मेरी बीवी.
Real trouble started after this. Meena Broka's family started threatening both Vinod Mehra and Bindya Goswami, because of which Vinod and Bindya has to kept changing their locations frequently. Finally, in year 1978, Vinod Mehra divorced Meena Broka, but on the other hand, Bindya and Vinod Mehra's relationship also started getting sour. And after about 4 years of relationship, both of them got separated. Vinod was once again left alone in his life, whereas after some time, Bindya married the famous director J.P. Datta, and actress Rekha entered Vinod Mehra's life. Vinod Mehra and Rekha were working together in many different projects opposite each other, which brought them closer, and soon their friendship turned into marriage. Although news of their marriage was media headlines during that time, but it is said that both of them never accepted this openly. Also, if media reports are to be believed, when Vinod Mehra entered his home with Rekha after marriage, his mother got so angry that even she took out her slippers to hit Rekha. As soon as Rekha touched her feet, she pushed her away and kept abusing Rekha till she was present over there. Later on, Vinod Mehra's intervention, his mother calmed down and Rekha had to leave his home. According to the media, their marriage lasted only for 2 months and after that they separated. And in this way Rekha's win-win once again became alone in his life. Rekha lovingly used to call Vinod Mehra as win-win.
दुनिया को इस हाल में लाने वाला गुनहगार मैं हूँ. मुझे मेरे गुनाह की सजा मिलनी चाहिए। मैं कहता हूँ कि मुझे
आपकी राय मेरे बारे में क्या है?
After separating from Rekha, Vinod Mehra started feeling very lonely and low in his life. It is said that Rekha and Vinod Mehra had a very good tuning, which is also reflected in their movies. Vinod wanted to settle down after seeing a lot of ups and downs in his personal life. All these things were continuously affecting his career. Meanwhile, Vinod met up with Kiran, and soon their friendship turns into love. But again, like earlier relationships, path of marriage was not easy for Vinod. Due to Vinod Mehra earlier failed relationships, Kiran's family was not ready for marriage at all. But both of them went against the wishes of their family and finally got married in the year 1987. Now Vinod Mehra wanted stability in his life and wanted to enjoy his married life. Soon everything started coming back on track for Vinod. Also, he became the father of a daughter. Vinod started giving more and more time to his family. He wanted to spend maximum time with his wife and daughter, but misfortune still did not leave him. And one day suddenly he left his daughter, wife, family, and all his loved ones behind, and went out alone on the eternal journey of life. Vinod had a second heart attack on 30 October 1990, and it was so severe that he could not be saved, and his journey came to end only at the age of 45. When Vinod Mehra died, his son Rohan was in his mother's womb. Later, Kiran Mehra shifted to Kenya to be with her parents. However, both Vinod's children Rohan and Sonia are currently quite active in Bollywood. Let us now talk about Vinod Mehra's dream project, which he left incomplete. Actually, Vinod Mehra has a dream to try his luck in direction. To fulfill his dream, Vinod started movie titled Gurudev with Sridevi, Rishi Kapoor and Anil Kapoor. Vinod was director as well as also producer of the film. Vinod was in great anxiety because of this project. Actors were not giving proper dates, and due to which film was constantly going over budget due to delay. It is said that due to high tension during this time, he got heart attack and passed away before completing his dream project. Later on, Kiran took task to complete this project with Raj Sippy, and 3 years after his death, finally movie was released in the year 1993. Going further in the final piece of our special episode, let us now talk about Vinod Mehra's number 2 connection. You won't believe that Vinod Mehra always had an attachment with this number, which did not left him till the end. If we look at his early life, his first released film as a child artist was his second signed film. After this, he returned to the world of acting for the second time. He was the second person in the family to enter acting after his sister Sharda Mehra. Also, after acting, direction was his second inning in cinema. Heart attack that Vinod Mehra had was also the second time. And now, before leaving, one more interesting fact before we say bye. Actually, in year 1965, United Producer and Filmfare together organized a talent search program, whose winner was superstar Rajesh Khanna. But most of you will be surprised to know that its runner-up was Vinod Mehra, and here too he was behind Rajesh Khanna from 2 number. Well, you can imagine that if Vinod Mehra had won the competition, then history would have been different.
जिसके लिए सबको छोड़ा, उसी दिल से एक बात चली है.
Vinod Mehra is still known as a handsome and chocolate actor, and as long as cinema exists, he will be definitely remembered. That's all in today's show. Hope you all enjoyed it. Also request you all to tell us your opinion about Vinod Mehra in the comment box. Bye bye, take care, have a great day ahead.